Matt and I are moving to Denver. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Today we're just gonna do a little vlog. It is currently January 11th. I am packing all of my orders for MissTiffanyMa.com. I've just been folding and lint rolling and writing letters to all of you guys who made orders. So today we sold 11 items, which is amazing. I am currently packing all the orders for that. So for everyone who bought 2 or more items, I'm currently writing them little notes. I'm currently writing Bia a note because she purchased 2 things from me. Today is just gonna be a nice, like, chill vlog for myself. I have some things I want to talk to you guys about, and I'm pretty sure from the title of this video you guys already know what we're talking about, and it's very exciting, but it's also nerve-wracking. I mean, it's honestly not that big of a deal, but it's kind of a big deal at the same time. Love, Tiffany. Do I kiss it? Oh my god. I was not expecting my lipstick to actually transfer. Bia, you're gonna be the only girl that has my lipstick, so sorry about that. So this little package is going to Missouri. I always think it's crazy when you guys from other states are watching my videos. I'm just gonna finish packing up all of these orders, and I'm gonna make myself lunch. I think I'm gonna have avocado toast. I'm really craving that today. And then we're gonna drop these packages off, and we're just gonna talk about some shit that we need to talk about. We need to address some stuff, okay? This package is going to Elizabeth from Oakland, California. So Riley from Utah ended up purchasing 4 items, so I'm gonna write her a little love note. She literally got so much good stuff. I'm actually kind of sad to part with some of the items she got. I know it's gonna go to a nice, loving home, so I'm excited for her to get it. I love the pieces you chose. Whee! All right, Riley, this package is coming to you to Utah. Every package, I like package it super nicely in tissue paper and normally in like a cute little bag like this, but she bought so much stuff that I'm gonna have to grab a box so that it'll fit everything. All right, I grabbed some boxes and I realized I don't even think this is big enough to fit all the clothes she purchased. She got some like 2 really big sweaters that are so freaking cute. We're gonna have to try to make it work. We'll see how this goes. Oh yeah, there's just no way these clothes are gonna fit in this box. Yeah, unfortunately that is not gonna work. So Riley, if you're watching this, your stuff is coming in 2 packages. Just FYI, letting you know. Alright, we're packing our last order. Rebecca bought these cute Reformation booties that I've literally only worn once. They're still in amazing condition. I actually wore these in Paris, and that was the one and only time I wore them. We are done packing orders for today. I honestly love packing orders and making them look super cute. Hopefully everyone enjoys their little package. I'm gonna make... It is so loud today. Here are all the packages from today. So we're gonna ship them and mail these all out. So I'm gonna make myself some avocado toast. I'm so excited for it. I've been thinking about it all freaking day. And I'm also just gonna clean up this little area because I definitely left a little bit of a mess. So we're gonna do that right now. So one of my goals for 2021 is to actually be a little bit, actually a whole lot less messy this year. I'm gonna just start cleaning up my messes when I make them instead of like waiting the next day because I get really tired. So we're gonna clean up this beautiful mess. Hey guys, so we are making some avocado toast. It is currently 3 p.m. I ate a whole bag of Ritz Bits. I am obsessed with these. I have not had these since I was literally in elementary school going on like a little field trip. I have not had these in so long, and I ate over... I just broke my nail. It's completely off. I was gonna eat, but now I'm gonna have to fix this nail. I'm so stupid. I like shoved my finger in the box. So I bought this nail kit recently from Orly on Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys because it is game changing. All right, for those of you guys who ever break your nails, this is called the Orly Nail Rescue. This is what it looks like. It's like $15 on Amazon. I think it's a little bit cheaper than that. It comes with a brush on glue, a little tub of nail powder, and then it comes with a little file. All you do, it's so easy. It's very self-explanatory. You brush on the glue, then you dip it in, and then you file it, and then you do that 2 times or 3 times if your nail's like coming off like mine is. Okay, I'm brushing it on right now. And then it should look like that. I'm just taking a little brush that looks like this, and I'm just brushing off the excess powder off my finger, and then I'm just filing it down. As you guys can see, it's pretty much on now. I'm gonna do another layer because it's definitely not enough for me. You literally just dip your finger in. You don't need to use a brush like this to brush it off. I just happen to have it on hand, so it's kind of nice. And I'm using kind of like a better filer than it gave me, so it's nice and smooth. All right, guys, I just fixed my nail. Look at that. Oh my God. This is like literally game changing. If you guys don't have this in your life and you guys break your nails very easily, I will link the Amazon product down below for you guys. Okay. We are back to making lunch because I want some avocado toast. I get the cracked wheat sourdough bread from Trader Joe's. Whoa, these are ginormous pieces. Yesterday my pieces were a lot smaller. We're gonna do both though. So I just have tomatoes and of course avocado 1, avocado 2, crushed red peppers, Maldon salt, and a special ingredient. We have honey and we have hot honey. This was a Christmas gift that I got from Andrew, who's Matt's brother. He knows I freaking love honey. So this is honey infused with chili peppers. So delicious. While we eat, I think I'm gonna talk to you guys about Denver. Yeah, I've kind of talked about it in 2 separate videos before. Just like really lightly talked about it because I wasn't sure if I wanted to completely share what Matt and I were doing, but let me make my food first because I can easily talk about this for like 45 minutes. All right, we got my toast. So I like to put a healthy dose of Maldon salt on my avocado toast. I'm like fingering this bottle. Why did I say fingering? Yeah, I have to grab the salt. Wow, I'm flustered now. Maldon salt is like the fancy salt you see on cookies and stuff. I put chili peppers or chili flakes on it. All right, we got some tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes, they're so sweet. All right, guys, I have my avocado toast with hot honey and regular honey. And then I have a bowl full of cherry tomatoes. Okay, guys, so I am ready. We got a nice sweet and savory meal here. That was good stuff. Now that I've taken my bite, I have something to tell you guys. And I talked about it in a video really briefly. And I just like don't know how to say it out loud. Like it feels so weird to say it out loud. But Matt and I are moving to Denver. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. So, as you guys know, over the summer, Matt and I have been wanting to move to Denver. He's lived in Colorado for like 3 years. So Matt suggested that we move to Denver part-time. In August, we spent time in Denver, Colorado. We were there for a whole freaking week and everything just felt rushed. We were trying to see everything that was in Denver, Colorado. And we've actually been talking about buying a house together in Colorado. And 7 days just wasn't enough to see the neighborhoods, to figure out which neighborhoods we enjoyed living in or hanging out in. Since August, both Matt and I have been talking about moving to Denver for like a month or 2 months or 3 months and just figuring out a short-term rental. So I looked into it for Christmas and his birthday. I decided as his present for both holidays that I was going to rent out a place for us for a whole month. So we're literally gonna pack up the car. We're taking the car. We're not gonna risk it by flying there, but we're gonna just drive there. We're gonna get tested beforehand. Matt's brother Andrew is actually gonna watch over the house for the entire month, and during that entire month we are going to explore all the neighborhoods. I don't believe open houses are a thing in Denver, Colorado, but we're gonna look at houses that are open and we're gonna try to purchase a house while we're there. So I'm afraid that we're gonna go to Denver for a whole month and then stay there forever because I can see that being a very big possibility. Unfortunately, we cannot bring Zoe because the place we're staying at did not allow dogs. And honestly, Zoe loves Andrew, who is Matt's brother, and she's gonna have the best time time, and I just didn't want to bring her over to a new place for a whole month because she's very much in a routine right now, and I'm really afraid if there's a different routine for her, she's just gonna freak out, and we're just gonna be stressed out about Zoe and making sure she's okay, and I'm definitely gonna miss her for a whole freaking month. Starting February 7th, we are gonna be moving to Denver, Colorado. I booked a spot for us for a whole freaking month, and if it happens to be longer than that, I'm not opposed to it. I'm really excited, and hopefully we find a house that we can purchase while we're there and start our new lives sometimes. We're not moving out of LA forever. We're gonna really use Denver as our second home, have it maybe possibly as an Airbnb. I think it would be really fun to have an Airbnb while we're not living in it, and also just have it as a spot where we can grow up and have our kids in. And the schooling system in Colorado is amazing, and the school system in Los Angeles, not gonna lie, kind of sucks unless you're in private school or you're in a really rich ass neighborhood. And unfortunately, I did not buy a house in a very expensive neighborhood. I honestly don't think I want to put my kids in private school. I went through public school, Matt went through public school. So either way, Matt and I were gonna find another house together, and houses in Denver, Colorado are a lot cheaper, and the entire city is up and coming. A lot of big tech companies are going into Denver, so we just think it'll be a really good investment for us to buy a house in Denver, Colorado. So I'm excited because we're gonna hopefully one day move there full time, but for now it'll be part-time. Matt has a lot of friends from Denver. I've lived in California my entire life. This home that I am renting out is gonna feel like our home for a whole month, and I think I'm gonna be really sad to leave it. Get freaking excited because one, the content's gonna change because my life's gonna change, but two, this house that I am renting out for the month is beautiful, like so beautiful and amazing, and I don't want to ruin it for you guys, but stay tuned because it's gonna be freaking amazing. With that being said, let me just eat my avocado toast. Also, while I'm eating, I do have another question that I need your guys' help on. I want to ask you guys, do you guys enjoy vlogs like this where you kind of just see what I do throughout my entire day? Or do you guys like videos where they're a little bit more structured? I would consider like my cleaning videos a little bit more structured because I'm only showing myself cleaning, or my what I eat in a day videos are very structured. What do you guys enjoy watching? Because I feel like as a lifestyle influencer, I can pretty much do anything I want on my channel, but I genuinely just want to know what type of videos you guys enjoy watching. Even though this channel is really about what I want and my passions and what I like doing, I also feel like I'm friends with you guys, and as a friend of mine, I want you guys to be honest with me and to tell me what you guys enjoy seeing and watching, and I don't want to make videos that you guys don't want to watch. So let me know what type of content you guys enjoy watching from me. I've been very curious about that. I feel like my overall theme for my channel is kind of like adulting, but not being a perfect adult, like just showing my life as a 27-year-old. I always thought when I was 27 my life would be perfect and I'd be such an adult and I'd act so much more mature than I am, but I realized that there really is no blueprint to being 27 years old or to being in your late 20s. My life is not perfect. It might look perfect to you guys. I just want that to be my overall theme, is like life isn't perfect, and even if you're 27, but I don't know how to put that into my videos. All right guys, I'm gonna enjoy this and watch a little YouTube videos or a show while I eat.
I'm trying to buy a house there and live there.
We are trying to buy a house, or just you?
We.
You're so pretty.
Stop it.
Hi guys, so a little update here. I've been on TikTok for the last hour and it is currently 4:40 p.m. and I'm gonna go to the post office and drop off all my packages. We are headed to the post office. They close in 15 minutes, so we're gonna actually go to the post office, and then I'm actually gonna go to the Edward Dunn store and finally get the black paint to paint the wall in my laundry room. And I guess I didn't tell you guys that I was only painting one wall. I think all of you guys assumed I was painting the entire room the same color. I'm doing an accent wall, and we finally decided on painting everything black. In the meantime, we're gonna go to the post office. Hello, camera. All right, guys, I am so sad. All the stores close in 7 minutes, so I thought I was gonna go to the paint store today and possibly get my paint today, but it's looking like that can't happen today, so I'm really sad. I was gonna get boba along the way because it's like 5 minutes away from a paint store, and I guess we're not getting boba, we're not getting paint, but you know what? That's okay, because I'm gonna go clean up my office because today is my last day of my vacation. Callie is coming in tomorrow and she's literally been gone for a whole month. I only get her for 3 weeks before I leave again in February for a whole month. So I'm actually really excited to see her tomorrow. So hi, Callie. So I think I'm gonna clean up the office a little bit today, and then I do know I need to work on my video and post it tomorrow because I haven't posted a video in like 5 days, which is a lot of days for me. So we're just gonna head home and work. Kava. Hey guys, little update here. Matt and I got Kava. Also, P.S. Matt's new song is getting released in 16 minutes. 16 minutes. 16 minutes. So the new song is called Dark Side. It's hands down one of like these songs that I heard the first like 5 seconds of it and I was like, Matt, you need to release this. So
You're the reason I'm releasing it.
I'm not the reason.
You're a large part of the reason.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't believe it.
You believed in it a lot.
Here's a little, am I allowed to put a snippet of your song in here?
Yeah, please. Please, you don't get demonetized.
Then you get to keep my money. We're about to watch Inside Out and we're gonna eat some food. I just wanted to end today's video here. If you guys made it to the end of the video, comment down below, what is your favorite Disney movie? Matt and I are trying to look for more Disney movies to watch. We've been obsessed with watching Disney Plus, and my favorite Disney movies are Ratatouille, Moana, Lion King. So we just need more freaking options because I'm forgetting all the good Disney movies. So I need you guys to let me know what's your favorite ones. That is it with today's video, you guys. I'm literally so freaking excited about the move and just spending time in Denver and seeing what Denver is all about. And FYI, Matt has lived in Denver before. He's lived there for 3 years. He says it feels like home for him. He has a lot of friends and family that live in Denver, Colorado. So I'm excited to spend time in Denver and just see what life is like outside of California. I've only lived in California my entire life, so I'm really excited to just explore the neighborhoods in Denver and just to see what it's all about. But yeah, that's it with today's video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok and Twitter at MissTiffanyMa. Okay, bye. I love you guys. Bye, guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.